Get into a car with value. 2024 Hyundai Kona. Take a closer look at the sophisticated and versatile Kona. This fun-loving subcompact crossover delivers distinctive style, a comfortable cabin, touchscreen infotainment, advanced safety features, and a spirited, agile driving experience. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated driver's seat, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, heated mirrors, premium sound system, backup camera, satellite radio, Bluetooth connection. Practical versatility meets breakout fun in this high-spirited Kona. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.